Hello guys, today I have the SONOS Era 100 and I'm going to show you if you don't have any application on your Android smartphone which is compatible with this device. So actually the answer is yes. We do have the application which is compatible with this device on our Android smartphone, and at first to find this application you will need to open the Play Store. Then in a moment I need to reconnect to my network. Okay, so I'm back, and here, as you can see, I'm going to show you such. Here, SONOS, and voila, no Sonia. Oh my goodness. So, nose, and such. This is application from SONOS ISC. To know how to install this application and pair your device with this application, check our channel. Goodbye.